Local news for Thursday the 1st of August. Masterton District Council has laid out its biggest challenges in a report to inform discussion ahead of the local government elections in October. Chief Executive Kath Ross says water security and the well-being of residents feature strongly. She says we urgently need to find ways to make sure we have enough water for our growing population, factoring in the impacts of climate change. The Be Latch On is a national annual breastfeeding event held at Breastfeeding Week to celebrate the success of our breastfeeding wahine and pepe. The annual Wairarapa event will be held again at the Carterton Event Centre tomorrow morning, attracting around 100 people. Roadworks in Greytown tonight will see possible delays for travellers. Repairs are being undertaken on State Highway 2 between 7pm and 5am, weather permitting. Stop-go staff will be in attendance. And in sport, goalkeeper Amy Rossiter-Steed has made the New Zealand women's under-18 hockey side, while striker Oliver Bunny the men's under-18 hockey side. Congratulations to you both. For Wairarapa Local News on Wairarapa TV, I'm Brent Gare.